சென்னையில் வெயில் தாங்க முடியல. Electricity bill would only be about 2,000 or 3,000 rupees max for 2 months. But Feb and March, my bill was 12,000 rupees, guys. That is called Beauty of Joseon Sunscreen. It does not cause acne. It's actually very acne friendly sunscreen. So in the heat ku na moisturizer plus sunscreen போட்டேன்னா அவ்வளோதான். அதனால only sunscreen. I had started using that Solved Skin and Solito brand. I also have a YouTube video about that. Obviously all of my makeup tutorials and everything is not sponsored, but if you do use the link and buy the products, I will make a couple of bucks on it, a commission basically. But I bought all of these products with my own money. So yeah, there was a brand called the Solved Skin. I came across on Instagram and I started using it. Look at my skin. என் வாழ்க்கையிலேயே என் மேலே பிம்பிள்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருந்ததே இல்லை. But for the last, I think I started using it last June or July. I've not changed the face wash ever since, and I don't have even a single pimple on my face. Crazy. The brand even reached out to me saying we should collaborate. I was like, நான் தான் already video போட்டுட்டேனே, இதுக்கு மேலே என்ன collaborate? Yeah, somehow I'm just not interested in brand collaborations or partnerships, because it's become so much less about a collaboration and more about selling a product, which I don't believe in. I'm not saying that Solved Skin try to do that, but எனக்கு ஏதோ அந்த pay அப்படின்னு வந்தாலே எனக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லை. So yeah, I'm just happy to get commission on products that I actually love rather than promoting products that I don't even like. Next up is eyebrows. நம்ம இன்னுமே நம்மளுக்கு பிடிக்காத மார்ஸ் காஸ்மெட்டிக்ஸோட ஐப்ரோ பென்சில் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக I feel like I'm starting to like it, but that's how it is in relationships, you know it's toxic, but கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக you get used to it. அந்த மாதிரி I'm getting used to this, but I genuinely don't like this pencil. ஆனால் நான் போன வீடியோவில் சொன்ன மாதிரி காசு கொடுத்து வாங்கின எதையும் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஐப்ரோஸ் பண்ண உடனே ஃபேஸ் வந்து ஃப்ரேம்டாக ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக இருக்கும் எப்பயுமே. So do not miss doing your eyebrows, okay? I use a couple of drugstore favorites in this video. One is this Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's amazing, and I'm still in the shade 330. It also has SPF 16. I'm not sure how useful 16 SPF is, but something better than nothing. Sometimes I do feel like covering it, but அங்க வந்து நம்ம கன்சீலர் தான் போடுவோம். So foundation வந்து, so do you see the spot? So this area I would generally put a concealer, and everywhere else I would put a foundation. I'm not gonna lie, ever since I stopped getting acne, I don't feel like using or putting a full face of makeup, in the no makeup look அப்படின்னு போடுவாங்க. அது பார்க்கும்போது வாவ் அப்படி இருக்கும், பட் நம்ம ட்ரை பண்ணும்போது நம்ம அப்படி இருக்கவே மாட்டோம், mostly because of your skin texture. So maybe if you fix your acne and your diet and everything, you can also do the no makeup look and be happy with the look. Nevertheless, you should still love yourself no matter what your skin is like. அப்படிதான் நானும் இருந்தேன். But if you're able to find a solution, then might as well. So I'm using this Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm an ardent fan of Real Techniques. Also, how good is this shade match? So do you see my skin is multicolored? What I mean by that is ingur color, ingur color. But skin na அப்படி தான் இருக்கும். Wow, I really love this coverage. How come I never used it before? It's so pretty, guys. Next, I'm going to use one of my most favorite concealers of all time. This is the Maybelline concealer. This is the Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade Caramel, I'm pretty sure. 7 varaikum expiry date. Okay. So I only apply the concealer in the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, under eye. கொஞ்சம் the center of the forehead. இங்கே கொஞ்சம் redness இருக்கும் எனக்கு. And இந்த இடம். Okay. And இங்கேயும். Guys, this combo, I'm just really going to come as close as possible, but look at this. Oh my god. This combo is simply amazing. If you are somewhere within my skin tone range, I highly recommend that you try this. Maybelline Superstay in 330 and Maybelline Age Refined Concealer in Caramel. It's just so beautiful. Powder பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் I haven't found anything really nice in the drugstore range, if I'm going to be honest with you. So please invest in a good powder. I will recommend the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless powder. This is one of my favorites, and I have it in medium and tan. I use medium when I want a little bit highlighting done under my eyes, like right now. And I like to use a small brush. By the way, remember I said I hate this brand Mars? Not gonna lie, I do like their brushes actually. Adha na solla maranditen and video la. So yeah, this is a Mars brush. I will leave the link below or somewhere here. That's it. Pretty. Moving on to blush. Okay, I know this is a high-end brand, but if you need just one blush that can be a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush, then this is that blush. This is the Huda Beauty blush filter in the shade Coco Loco. Poco. Tick 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 tick. Okay, kind of pack it, push it into your hairline, bring it all the way forward. Look at how beautiful it is. In the camera the pickup பண்ணதான் எனக்கு தெரியல, but if you feel like you want to add more, always add more after you do the first application. That way you know if it's going to be a lot or no, right? Also a little bit on the nose would hurt nobody. Anyway, in the வெயில்ல வெளில போனா you will get sunburned. நம்ம வெளிய போறதில்ல, ஆனா வெளிய போனா மாதிரி காமிச்சிக்க போறோம். One step that you do not want to miss is curling your lashes. For a 10 seconds, just keep pressing for 10 seconds, okay? This will instantly make you 5 times hotter. You'll get 10 times hotter after you finish your lips. Are you even like already so beautiful? Okay. Kajal from Color Chemistry. Unfortunately, it is discontinued, I think. So you can use any brown lip liner of your choice. See, you have to make your lips like this. The face that some influencers, not most, let's not be salty, but some influencers make, you know, to make their nose look small. Make your face like that and then pout your lips. Today's theme is barely there. So even lip liner, we don't want to do all the way. One of my most favorite lipsticks from MAC is this lipstick called Spirit. It's a satin lipstick and it looks like this. I'm just going to apply it and show it to you. And that is the finished makeup look. These days I really don't even bother drying my hair because it's so hot that if I use a dryer, my hair would automatically become oily. So I just let it air dry like this, and yeah, it's done.